Good morning, children. Hope you all are good. Very good. Okay, now we will revise previous yesterday's lesson and then we will start new one. Okay, see here, all of you. Yesterday, what we have learned? We have learned about road route map, a road map, and rail route map. Okay, see, and yesterday we have helped Raju to see animals in national park. How we helped Raju? See, take page number, open textbook page number 1 and see this. By using this map, we helped Raju to see the animals in national park. Very good. And again, we helped Raju by using road map to see the football match in Star Stadium. Okay, we helped Raju by using this road map and he went to the stadium and he saw the football match. What is this road? What is this map? This is road map. And again, we helped Raju to find. We helped Raju in traveling in train by using rail route map. Okay, very good. Now we will learn about world map. Okay, can anyone answer what is world map? What is world map used for? Very good. For searching continents, countries, oceans. Very good. Now, see here. This is our world map. Okay? Now listen. Raju's uncle works in Egypt. Raju wants to know the continent in which Egypt is located. Okay? Raju's uncle is where he is working? Raju's uncle is working in Egypt. And Raju wants to know where is in which continent Egypt is. How can you find Egypt? And how can you find it is in which continent? We used to use world map. Very good. To do this, Raju has looked at the world map which shows Egypt is in the continent of Africa. Where is Egypt? He used world map. See, this is world map. And he searched for Egypt. Where is Egypt? Egypt is in Africa. This is the map of Africa in world map. This is the continent of Africa. Okay? Egypt is marked in red. Okay? In which color Egypt is marked? Egypt is marked in red color. This is Egypt here, and this is our world. This is our world map, and these are all continents. Egypt is in the continent of Africa. Very good. What is a world map? Can anyone answer? Yes, a world map shows details of all continents, countries, oceans and seas on the earth. What world map shows? How many continents we have? We have 7 continents. And how many oceans we have? We have 5 oceans and we have 7 continents. All together, where you can see? We can search in world map. Very good. Okay. Now Raju searched for Egypt in world map. And where is Egypt? In which continent is in Egypt? Egypt is in Africa. Now, see the question here. You have to answer it in your own, okay? See, I am reading the question here. Name one continent that you would like to visit. Why? List two reasons, okay? See, which continent you want to visit and why? You have to give at least 2 reasons for that. Okay? See. turn the page, page number 6. And one more question is there. See, Indra, Usha and Srinath are visiting India for the first time. See, Indra, Usha and Srinath are visiting India for the first time. Each of them wants to visit different places. All these three are visiting India for the first time and they want to see different places in India. Identify the type of map they will need in each situation using the help box. See, all these three didn't see India and they came to India for the first time and they want to see different places in India. And what they will use, different maps they will use. Okay, see the help box. Here what are there? World map, railroad map and road map. Okay, see, this is India map. Okay, see the question. This is India map and which is this? What is the Indian Railways? This is rail route map. Okay, see the question here. See the question here. I am reading the question. Look, all of you. Indra wants to travel from Kashmir to Kanyakumari by train. She will use a dash map. Which map she should use? She should use, very good, rail route map. Next, see the second question. Srinath wants to cycle from Delhi to Kolkata. He will use a dash map. Srinath wants to cycle from Delhi to Kolkata. And which map he should use? He should use road map. Very good. See, Usha is visiting the mountain range around the world. She wants to visit the Himalayas in India. She will use a dash map. See, she is visiting all mountain ranges in the world and she wants to visit Himalayas in India. Which map she should use? She should use world map. Okay? She should use world map. And this is road map. This is railroad map. Okay? Did you understand, children? Okay. In tomorrow's class, we will discuss about map reading. Okay? Any doubts? Oh, very good. Tomorrow, I'll tell you about map reading. Okay? And I'll send your homework in Google Classroom. Okay, thank you. Bye.